nakatulog sa gabi.
Tulog ka agad.
Very comfortable talaga siya. Sigurado ka?
Oo.
Oh my God. This is perfect. Have a look inside. Actually, quite roomy than you thought. Wow! Napagod ako guys. Grabe talaga yung effort ko makagawa lang ng bahay. Kasi otherwise, baka malamig naman tonight. Very, very excited na matulog ko ako dito tonight just by myself. Wala po akong kasama. Actually, this is my first time na matulog ko talaga to somewhere else na wala po talagang tao just by myself. So, erase ko lang po yung katawan ko. Tapos maya mag-hunt na po tayo ng pagkain na super gutom na po ako. So maybe pag nakahunt na po tayo ng pagkain, gagawa po tayo dito ng fire. So yung dagat guys, dyan lang po talaga. Hopefully it's high enough po kung saan po ako gumawa ng bahay. Because I reckon, dyan lang po, hanggang dyan lang yung dagat. At nandito lang po yung bahay ko. This is old coconut and I have no idea if it's still right. Sign ko kasi sa coconut, pag okay pa siya, pag ganunin mo siya, there is a sound. Walang sound. Tingnan niyo guys, no? Oh my God. Please. Sana may laman ka dahil uhaw na pa ako. Save me. So pretty good inside box. It's very warm. Very warm this buko. May ano na siya. Still good. Medyo may amoy na siya kaunti at very warm po siya sa inside. I think undawin na to siya paano pasiraan na. Dahil tingnan niyo po yung kulay ng coconut. Hindi na po siya fresh. So, lucky, Mariel found it. And get ready with me. Tara, maghunting na po tayo ng pagkain. Actually, I didn't realize this video was being mute. I have to put my GoPro and my forehead. So, meron po akong mask at saka pana po. Just in case po makapana po tayo ng isda. So, talaga, mag-start na po tayo. Paghanap ng pagkain. So, it's a bit low tide here. And doon siguro, medyo high tide. Ready? Good luck po. Sana makaspot po tayo din ng isda. Ang bilis na po, tumakbo siya. Daniel, got away. Actually, it's very fast. I have to shoot him, eh? So, ito yung crab, ito dapat. Marami po yung sila dito. You just have to keep looking for it. And this is really good, guys. Whoa! This is my number 2 crabby.